Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to send a BTC by Etoro. So guys, watch till the end as I show you a step-by-step guide. And for this video, we are going to do it on the mobile application, and make sure you are on the Etoro Money application. Now guys, I made this table over here so we can have a better understanding. So first, you have to have the Etoro Money application and make sure to just simply sign in into your account. And after that, guys, just simply check for the crypto icon at the bottom of the screen. You should be able to see it over there, and just simply tap on it to view your wallet. And after that, guys, just simply tap the type of crypto you wish to send, and of course it will be BTC. And after that, once you have provided it, just simply provide the amount and make sure you have the right address for the person that you are going to send the BTC with. And from there, guys, just simply tap on send. And guys, from there, guys, you might have a verification code sent to your phone. So just simply go to your phone and just simply check the verification code and just simply provide it. And after that, just simply verify your transaction and you should be able to send a crypto. There you go. I hope this video helped you out, and if you do, just simply leave a like and comment down below, and thanks for watching.